In this video, I'll break down the top 5 electric skateboards and which electric skateboard I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best electric skateboard and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Backfire G2. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It offers impressive range, capable of covering up to 15 miles on a single charge. This electric skateboard features a powerful 400-watt hub motor, propelling riders to a top speed of 24 miles per hour. The deck is constructed from 8 layers of Canadian maple, providing durability and flexibility for a smooth ride. Equipped with 96mm wheels, the G2 handles various terrains with ease. The board's regenerative braking system enhances safety and extends battery life. A standout feature is the LED screen on the remote, displaying real-time speed, battery life, and riding modes. The G2 includes 3 speed modes, catering to riders of different skill levels. With its responsive acceleration and reliable performance, the Backfire G2 proves to be a solid choice for both commuters and skateboarding enthusiasts. At number 4, we have the Exway Wave. The Wave stands out for its exceptional portability and versatility as a short electric skateboard. The board features a durable deck constructed with layered fiberglass and maple, finished with UV-cured coating and shock-absorbing grip tape. It delivers impressive performance with a top speed of 38 km per hour and a range of up to 20 km. The board comes equipped with smart features including RGB taillights, regenerative braking, and a quick-swap battery system. Its ESC 2.0 system provides smooth acceleration control and responsive braking across 4 adjustable modes. The stock 85mm wheels offer an optimal balance between vibration absorption and performance, while the Trist RKP trucks enable precise carving. Available in both hub and belt drive configurations, the Wave includes water resistance rated at IP55 and comprehensive battery management systems for safe, reliable operation. At number 3, we have the Ownboard Carbon ZEUS Max. The ZEUS Max boasts impressive power with its all-wheel drive system featuring 4 65/74 motors, delivering a top speed of 60 km per hour. This electric skateboard offers exceptional stability and traction, even on rough terrain, thanks to its CNC milled hangers and forged baseplate. The carbon fiber deck provides durability and a sleek appearance. With a range of up to 45 km on a single charge, the ZEUS Max is suitable for extended rides. The board comes equipped with high-quality 155mm Hoder tires, offering excellent grip and performance. Its customized Hobbywing ESC provides smooth acceleration and braking, with multiple speed modes including a turbo option. The ZEUS Max also features regenerative braking and an ergonomic remote control. Overall, this electric skateboard combines power, range, and build quality for an exhilarating riding experience. At number 2, we have the MEEPO Vader Hurricane Pro. This is our runner-up pick and stands out for its exceptional build quality, featuring a premium T700 carbon fiber deck with dual concave footwells for superior control and stability. The board utilizes powerful dual 3500-watt motors paired with a state-of-the-art gearbox system, eliminating common belt maintenance issues while delivering impressive performance. It achieves speeds up to 32 miles per hour and offers a range of 31 miles, powered by a reliable Molisol battery configuration housed in a protective metal casing within the deck. The CNC machined TKP trucks, constructed from 6061 aluminum alloy with 8mm axles, provide excellent stability at high speeds while maintaining maneuverability. The board features 4 speed modes, with modes 3 and 4 offering thrilling performance for experienced riders. The 165mm tubeless tires provide superior traction across various terrains, while the gear drive system ensures quiet operation and efficient power transfer. What truly sets the Vader apart is its integrated design approach, where every component works harmoniously together. The board's craftsmanship is evident in its seamless construction, with no rough edges and carefully designed components that create a cohesive, premium electric skateboard experience. At number 1, we have the Exway Atlas Pro. This is the best electric skateboard you can buy on the market and stands out with its impressive 55 km per hour top speed and robust 7,056-watt power system utilizing 4 custom brushless sensored motors. The board features a carbon fiber deck and is equipped with 160mm high-quality rubber wheels that are quick-release compatible, supporting wheel sizes from 85 to 200mm. Its 691 watt-hour battery delivers up to 40 kilometers range, with an optional AUX pack that can extend this to 85 kilometers. The board employs a sophisticated FOC regenerative braking system with adjustable strength and offers multiple riding modes through its 1 to 4 and turbo levels. Built for durability, it incorporates CNC precision aluminum components and forged trucks, while meeting IP55 water resistance standards. The drivetrain can be configured for either belt or gear drive, with the gear drive option providing superior off-road performance and minimal maintenance requirements. Smart features include Bluetooth connectivity, a color screen remote, and companion app support. The board's modular design allows quick conversion between 2- and 4-wheel drive configurations, while the tank U-turn function enables direction changes without dismounting. So that sums up my top 5 electric skateboards. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.